Hello, and today we're gonna download SDL and then configure it to our Visual Studio Code program, and to do that we have to download SDL first. So let's go and search for SDL GitHub release on our browser. After we do that, we're gonna hit enter and then go to our first recommendation. After we hit that, we're gonna scroll a little bit down, and then we're gonna download the tar.gz or zip file, one of them. And then after we do that, we're gonna click download for downloading. After you download it, you're just gonna go to the desktop, right click, go to new folder, and then create a folder called SDL project. We're gonna create this folder for our project, and then we're gonna open it with our Visual Studio Code like this, right clicking it and opening with code, or go ahead and open the program and file, open folder, and then go to your desktop, select your SDL project folder, and then hit select folder. And then now you're gonna create the new main CPP file, which we're gonna write our code in, and then include our IO stream. And then after we include that, we're gonna use the namespace standard, and then we're gonna check if it's working by printing out hello. Let's go hello, and then Indo, and let's run it now. Go to after saving it, go to our terminal, and then we're gonna say g++ space main.cpp, hit enter, and then now it's running. So ./a hello, that's it, it's working. So now we're gonna add our include library, no, our include folder from our SDL. Here's a new version of SDL that we downloaded earlier. Let's go ahead and extract it. After we extract it, click it, open it, and then go for the 32-bit. It's this one. And then open the include folder and SDL2, and then select everything, and we're gonna create an include folder here too, and then select everything here and paste it, copy and paste it there. And after doing that, we're gonna also add our library folder on our project here, and then after we do that, go ahead and open your library folder. Here it is. Select everything and then copy and paste it there. And after doing that, we're gonna include the SDL.h header file. Type include and apostrophes include /SDL.h. and save it. And then after we do that, we're gonna configure our library down here at the terminal, this library folder down here at the terminal, and write g++ space -l for telling the computer that this is our library path, -l, and lib is our library folder. So let's go ahead and write that, and then after we do that, hit space, and then now we're going to write our main.cpp file, because that's what we're going to run, what we're going to build. Write main.cpp, and then after this we're gonna hit space and then write our library name. It's hyphen small l and then SDL2. Hit enter, and then after doing that, we're actually right, but here down it says undefined reference to win main at 16. So to fix that, we're gonna go down here and say undefined main and save, and then do that again. After doing that, it works fine. Let's run it. Hello. That's it, it's working perfectly. And now also, if you want to check that SDL is working, you can configure some variables. Here it's SDL renderer. We're gonna configure a renderer. After doing that, let's save it and then go down here and build it again. It's working. ./8, it's working. So everything is working fine. And now if you also want to name your program, you can write G++ and then hyphen L, capital L, lib, and then /o. That's the prefix for your program name, and let's name it our program, and then space our file that we're gonna run, main.cpp, and then space /lsdl2. That's the name of our library. Now you see here our program exe is here, so let's write our program exe, and then after we do that, hit enter. Hello, you see everything is working. And that's it for this video. I hope it helped you, and if you liked it, hit like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.